Hello, my Pinky Pals. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing a draw this in your own style. I have a ton of them saved on my Instagram, and unfortunately, I just don't have time to do it outside of a video. It's going to generate here, and it's going to choose a random one, okay? I did the math, and I do have 282 of them. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, generate. Give me something good. 199. Why would you do that to me? 199. Okay. I kind of have to figure out where that's going to be here. And it'll be this one. This one is by crow.and.friends. Be sure to follow them or look at them or whatever you like. Let's pull up our reference. It looks like it's just really loving life right now. I'm really torn, guys. I guess I'm not that torn because I'm already doing a duck. I just find with line lifts, you really have to think about what you're doing more and think about how you're going to lay it down and all that kind of stuff. So for me, line lifts is so much more work than what anything else is, to be honest. Another thing I'll do too with my lineless style, I'll refrain from, I won't do a solid line a lot of the times. I'll break it up because I just find that I don't know what I'm saying, but I just find it looks nicer. Where this crow is loving life, this duck is like, save me now from this wretched world. And I'm kind of here for it. Now we're gonna do the background. I'm so sorry I'm doing so many ducks. I hope that you're not getting too bored of them or like mad that I'm doing more. It's just, I really enjoy them, and you know what? When you're an artist, sometimes you have to, I mean, when you're an artist, when you're any kind of creative, like when you're trying to make a business of your art especially, but when you're trying to be creative, sometimes you just have to go with the thing that you want to do the most. So, you know, it's what I'm doing. This is what I want to do the most, so this is what I'm doing. And hopefully, people are okay with that. I don't know what to tell you if you're not, other than I'm sorry. And I'll make sure that the next video isn't about ducks. But I'm just really having a lot of fun with it, so I hope that you guys are too. I just think it's so funny. Like, it's such a like I don't know how to describe my love for this. It's such a simple concept, but at the same time, he just fills me with so much joy, and I just can't help but fall in love with him. Like, I just think he's the cutest thing ever. And that's just kind of where I am in life right now. I'm all about the ducks. I'm not doing any kind of transition. It's just like full on orange from purple. The composition of this one is just not very good. I can admit that. Oh, I could have done this one for the first prompt. I could have double dutied on this one. I could have done falling, because I think it was falling leaves or something like that was my first one. It wasn't. It was autumn leaves was my second one. But I could have done this for autumn leaves and it would have been great. So that's my Draw This in Your Style with Crow and Friends. I'm really happy that I actually got to do one. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know it's yet another duck, but I hope that's okay. I'm sorry. I'm just obsessed with them right now. If it's not your vibe, I completely understand that. It's completely valid. I'm going like literally off my rocker with these things. So I do, you know, I get it when, if you're like, Alicia, this is enough. I do get it, and I'm hearing you. I will do less. I'll do less. I mean, if you like the ducks, let me know in the comments below, but if you're like, no, Alicia, come on, like, let's do something different, feel free to let me know that as well. I really enjoy the ducks, but I get that you might not. I hope you enjoyed this one, though. I think this turned out really cute. I really love this, too, this little Draw This in Your Own Style. if you want to check out that artist, Crow and Friends, what I'll do is I will put their link in the comment section below as well, so that you can go and maybe you can do her little crow as well and make it an actual crow instead of a duck. But until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. Words can't even describe. And I just want to say thank you as always. Stay pink, guys, and have a great day. Bye.